Hi, and welcome to Chapter 10. In this chapter, we're going to try and reconstruct some partially overwritten files. You'll begin by launching ProDiscover Basic. Click on New Project. You can type in today's date, whatever that may happen to be, and whichever project of the day it happens to be also. We'll just call this InChap10. And click OK. You're now going to go up to Action, Add Image File, and we want to select the C10 InChap.eve file. You, of course, will click Yes on the Auto Image Checksum verification. For the interest of time, I'm going to click No. Then we're going to actually perform a search. So you're going to click on the search button. In this particular instance, we're going to do a cluster search. So you want to click on that tab. Be sure to select under ASCII that we want this to be case sensitive. And we're going to look for FIF. Select the disk image that we want to search in, so select the Chapter 10 in chapter exercise and click OK. Notice the files that come up. It would be a good idea at this point to go ahead and save our project. So we're going to save this as InChap10. Make sure that you're on the correct drive in your work folder. And you may also need to create a folder for Chapter 10. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the first one. Notice that down at the bottom, we're seeing that it did find the FIF. And what we want to do is now double click on the highlighted item, and it'll actually show you where on the drive that file is located. To get back to your original screen, go to the left side and click on Cluster Search Results and reselect that item. The next thing we want to do is attempt to find the file. So with the 4CA selected, do a right mouse click, Find File. You may get an error message that tells us that something else was using this earlier, so it may be allocated. Go ahead and click Yes. And then it'll show you the list of clusters. And then go ahead and click Show File. And then you can click the close on the dialog box. Do a right mouse click on Game Tour 2 and select Copy File. Let's create a folder for exported files. And then click Save. We were supposed to actually rename that, so you can go out into Windows Explorer and rename that as recover1.ex or .jpg. And for now, we're going to go ahead and close out ProDiscover Basic.